This is a review for the 21-piece Eufy X10 Omni Pro replacement part kit. I purchased this kit because I wanted to keep my Eufy cleaning efficiently without spending a lot on individual parts. I like to use this for quick maintenance, swapping out the brushes and filters and the mop pads, keeping everything running smoothly. My experience using this kit has been great. And the parts fit my Eufy X10 Pro Omni, and installation is easy thanks to the included screwdriver and cleaning tool. The roller brush does a great job on picking up pet hair and crumbs, and the mop pads can be washed and reused. The side brushes reach the corners pretty well, and the dust bags are so simple to replace when they're full. For best performance, I clean or replace parts every couple of months or according to the scheduled maintenance Eufy has laid out for me on the app, including the dust filter. If you own the Eufy X10 Pro Omni, this replacement kit is a really practical way to keep it working great.